Don't forget that the Dooney Secret coaching website, the live link is below in the description here. And if you want to earn more money, if you want to book more shows, if you want to do a better job for the groups that you're working for, in other words, if you want more success at being a professional fun guy, fun girl, joy bringer, then Dooney will help you. One-on-one coaching starts at $300 and it's worth every cent. And not only that, but it's a money-back guarantee. Hope to see you there. So what happened is I wanted to have something for boys, right? I wanted something for boys, or let's say girls that don't want ladybugs, right? So what I did was I decided to come up with this little ball. Stuff it inside. That broke again, no problem. Whoops, except for sometimes if it does break like that. All right, let's just do this again. Okay. All right, so this is peas in a pod, but short, really short. I don't need a lot of length on it. Just like that. I'm gonna cut this off. All right, one ball inside. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to just isolate that ball into a piece all by itself so that it's a ball inside of a ball. All right? And then I do 6 balls in a row. Kind of like the ladybug feet, only different. There's 5, there's 6. Okay. Now I'm going to twist 2 of these all together. I'm going to twist these 2 together, then these 2 together, then those 2 together. So I pull these out. See how I isolated those 2? Pull them out, twist it around. Next 2. Pull them out, just those 2, twist them around. And finally the last 2, pull them out, twist them around. Okay. So what happens is when you line all those up, kind of makes like a flower petal. And I'll cut the end off. So I'm letting the air out of this. All right. There we go. Right? Now this has a little bit of end to it, so I might even cut that off with my little balloon cutter. So that it has less of an end to it with a little ball in it. Now this you are going to need a second balloon for, right? And the thing about using balloons as a bracelet, you don't want to tie it so that you trap air inside of it. So you want to tie the end. I just tied the end to this loose piece here. You want this here hanging down. The reason is you want to make sure all the air is out of there. Like I'll suck the air out of it. And what I'm going to do is wrap that around just like this into here. So it's wrapping around. And then I'll cut the length off. And all it does is it creates a little bracelet, right? Just like that. But the ball is isolated in here. So what I do is I say to the boys or the girls that I'm giving this to, I didn't make a very good drawing. All right, there we go. It's a watch, all right? But it's not just a watch, okay? It's a secret agent watch. It's got a bomb inside of it. It's a secret agent watch with a bomb inside of it.